Let's address an increasingly concerning issue: screen time among children. With smartphones becoming ubiquitous, kids are spending more time than ever looking at screens. Prolonged screen time has become a common aspect of modern life, with many individuals spending hours each day in front of computers, tablets, and smartphones. This extended exposure can lead to a range of eye-related issues. Our eyes are not just windows to our soul. They are essential tools that allow us to experience life fully. Yet many people overlook the importance of maintaining their eye health. Nutrition plays a crucial role in maintaining overall health, including eye health. A diet rich in specific nutrients can help protect against age-related eye diseases and support optimal visual function. Key nutrients beneficial for eye health include vitamin A, vitamin C, and zinc. Remember that small changes in your diet and lifestyle can lead to significant improvements in your eye health. Fuel your eyes and see the difference.